video, we have learned the cost of buying the fryums, how to deep fry them, how to package them, how to sell them, and the profits you're going to be making from selling the fryum. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jacqueline, and welcome back. It's been a while. I haven't posted anything on this channel yet. Happy New Year. I hope it's not too late to say that, because oh my god, I can't believe like the whole of January I haven't posted anything yet. But guys, I'm back and a lot of things happening. But now I thank God everything is in order and we're back like never before. I've been wanting to do this video like for a very long time. So guys, this is a video about the numbers, or rather the fryums. I wanted to do a video and show you guys how I make money selling fryums. I wanted to show you the process from how I buy them, how I deep fry them, how I pack them, and how much you're going to make making and selling the fryums. On this episode, I'm going to be using the pinwheels. They look like the wheels. There are different types. They're the ones that look like the shells. They're the ones that look like the numbers. They're the stars. But today we are going to go a different direction. They look like the wheels. And I hope guys you're going to enjoy this episode. So let me first start by showing you how they really look like. Forgive me, English is not my first language, but we still try. Yeah, so guys, let's do this. Let me show you the fryums and let me take you through the process. And I hope if you're a stay-at-home mom or you don't have a job, I hope you're gonna be trying this so that you as well can be able to earn at least something for yourself. Yeah. So guys, let's get started. So this is basically how our fryums look today. They go for like 180 Kenya shillings per kilo. You can see they have different colors. We got green, yellow, we got red. They're so cute. This is what makes them so attractive. And so the first thing you want to do, preheat your oil to medium heat. Just like that. And then once the oil is hot, not so hot, I say medium heat, put in your fryums and stir just a little, and then they'll start popping. As you can see guys, it takes less than 10 seconds to have them ready. You see how beautiful they are? This is what makes them just amazing for the kids. And if you're near a school, a primary school, a public school, where there are a lot of students, I'm telling you, in the evening you can sell up to 60 packets. So guys, I'm going to be showing you the packets. I'm going to be using some containers. So after this, I'm going to be showing you how to pack them. I told you we are going to leave no stone unturned. If you want to start this business, this is the only class that you need. So these are the containers that I'm going to be using to pack them. Let me just show you. These containers cost less than a bob, less than a shilling. I buy them in bulk, so they are not costly. So I just want to fill them with the fryums. This is how I do it. I'm just doing this so that you can see. And like I told you, you can get how many packs of this package? We get like 12 times 6. I don't how many? I don't know. Just do your math. I'm gonna continue showing you as we move on. And please, if you're watching to this point, please make sure that you like this video. At least like this video. Let's help more people out there. I know there are people who are stuck that they don't know even where to start. But imagine with less than 300 Kenya shillings, you can start this business. So guys, we're almost done here. I was just showing you, and then I'm gonna fill the rest, and then I'm gonna show you all of them. If you're in Kenya, you can buy these fryums from Nyamakima. Yeah. So yeah, these are all the packs that we got. So I'm using the aluminum foil to wrap it around. And I'm going to be doing this for all of them. And guys, after this, we are going to be packing them in packs of 12. So 12 pieces make one big pack, and that one big pack goes for 100 baht. And in 1 kg you can get like 6 packs. That makes it 600 minus your expenses. That is less than like 300, and you have your profit of 300 per kg. So if you sell, if you're hand working, you have like 5 shops or more, because a day is long. You can be able to make like 1,000 per day. In a week you can be able to make at least 7k. If you're hard working, people make up to 10k just from the Fryums alone. You see, this is a pack of 12. This is what I'm saying. I'm going to pack them in a bigger pack. You see, this looks like a sack like. So we are going to be packing 12 in here, and those 12 go for 100. And if it's the shapes like the numbers or stars, you can pack 11. So guys, this is one pack. This goes for 100. And as I've said, in 1 kg you get 6 of this. This video we have learned the cost of buying the fryums, how to deep fry them, how to package them, how to sell them, and the profits you're going to be making from selling the fryums. So guys, let me tell you something, but there is no, there is no profit that is too small. There is no money that is too small. Let's say, for example, get a little amount from the fryums, you're selling something else, you get. When you match all that, it's going to be a big thing. As long as you're not going back, you're moving forward. So today you saved like 300, tomorrow you'll be saving 600, the next day you'll be having 1,200, 10,000. That is how we grow wealth, as long as you're doing it the right way. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share it with other people out there, so that we are not going to be so mean so that you're going to be able to make sure that everyone is benefiting from this kind of video, because I know there are so many people out there, they don't know where to start. Sometimes you tell yourself, I got no money, the money I have is too little, so where do I start? So guys, with as little as 360 as you have seen, you can be able to start a Fryums business. And if you're a hardworking person and a good salesperson, I assure you, in a week, you're not going to be lacking like around 7k as profit. Yeah. So please make sure that you try. Do not demean any kind of work. Do not be choosy. Make sure that at least you're doing something. And I told you, as long as you're not making a negative profit, you're good to go. And from me, I'm gonna say bye for now. I'm gonna be seeing you in my next one. And to give you just a small hint, we're going to be discussing, for those who don't have any coin, you don't know where to start, I'm going to be giving you the kind of businesses that you can do with no money. Or maybe we can discuss how to make money, fast money, quick money. That's where we're going to be starting from next time. So bye.